How to track homemade food on MyFitnessPal app. Firstly, you have to open MyFitnessPal app. You have see here that there is an option of search for a food. Click on this bar and write here homemade food, like I am going to write here homemade food. You have to click on it. In this way you can track your homemade food by clicking on it and adding it to your chart. Now move back and click on the diary here. You can see your homemade food will be appeared in your chart. Thank you so much. Just make sure watch the complete video. Make sure to consider our request by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.